Fireworks Girl, Katy Perry, Rachel Crow mashup. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel this so paper thin, like a house of cards, and blood from caving in? Do you ever go to lunch alone by your side? 'Cause the moment you arrive, they leave the table. No, no, it's not okay. Call me everything by my name. Need I remind you again? Just call me Rachel. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, you cannot be replaced. Don't you want to know what I feel? Baby, I'll fly apart. Go and show me what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 and shoot across the sky. Cause baby, I'll fly apart. Come and let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em going down. Who do you think you are? Loudmouth cafeteria star. One day it might be you. When you need a friend, no longer cool. And everyone leaves you when you walk into the room. Just hope they forgive you. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. I don't wanna feel this way. What do you even know about me? Do you want to know what I think? Mean girls, I'm just gonna call you out of my calls. You mean girls, you no longer want my world. Mean girls, 'cause baby, I'll fly your world. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 and you shoot across the sky. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna comb you out of my clothes.